Hello guys, this is Aswant. I'm new to this video tutorial section, but I hope you understand what I'm going to show you today. Here's my modded Ps2 Slim 9000 series console. Actually, I watched some YouTube videos earlier that people posting Ps2 Slim disk won't spin, making noises. The problem is the laser cable. Here's the disk. You see the scratches all over it because of the laser cable. In order to fix this problem, you don't need to replace any unit, just adjust the laser cable. Check whether laser cable touching the disk. If noise comes from PS2 when running the disk, repeat the process. I hope this tutorial helps you. If you're facing any problem fixing the PS2, just comment on my video. Thank you for watching.